All right. So yeah. So as I said, that these are the last remaining, the ones that I'm looking at.
Taking off like Thursday, Friday already.
No, you can still take a day off. No, that's not an issue. Okay. Uh, it's really not. It's not a big deal, you know. If you want to.
That's what I'm saying. I'm only here because I'm already taking off a couple days this week.
And I'm saying that it's not a big deal that you took days off.
I know,
I know you know.
but I'm here. So I'm
The question, what the fuck are you doing here? Well, if you're not trading.
What?
Nah. Okay, let me just make the.
Is Ali there trading with you?
No, Ale is taking a break until Thursday, I think.
Oh,
Yeah, she's taking off. She has some personal
little
situation.
R&R.
No, she has a personal situation going on. So. Okay. So, yeah. So yeah, you have these ones to look at.
MSFT
Okay, Microsoft
last
is.
equals 285.91.
Okay, Microsoft reached to the breakup point, to the upside. Yeah, so they're holding this spread for the whole move. I don't know, maybe it was just a transaction that took place. Someone just sold. No, it's not. There is a different trades. I just thought it was an ice pick order went through, but no.
Did Tesla come up in your list at all?
Nope, I didn't. I didn't look at Tesla, but I also something that Tesla is good on everything, but I don't like the price point. And today is just a 2-2 continuation. I have no idea which level to use as resistance or support or what to do. It's just the support for me is 700, which is already sitting on the support. It's just I don't know what to do with it. It's a 2-2 continuation, and I'm thinking about $20 today, 720 as target point. The ATR on this monster is $23, but I gave room to wiggle. So, as I said, that I'm putting it as long, but I mean, we'll see. I'm not in it. I'm not paying attention. It's just I cannot comprehend that what's the behavior that it has today. I reviewed my trades on freaking Saturday. All of trades of last week, most of those that they went negative and everything. The result was very interesting. My phone is running out of charge. Let me bring the charger. Oh, you see. Sorry. So the result was interesting to see that what have made me make false calls on the. Should I say false calls, or should I say that the calls on the stocks that they didn't end up profitable, something like that. And I saw the result. It was a personal approach to gaming. I'm a gamer.
Right.
Yeah. So that's the reason. So I'm putting it away. I'm seriously putting it away. So no more gaming.
No more gaming.
Yeah. No more Call of Duty.
You have to have a little bit of downtime.
Well, yeah, maybe, but I don't know. It's a little bit, it takes so much mental energy. That's the one that I pointed out once to Sam. It takes so freaking much mental energy that it doesn't worth even. It doesn't worth looking at, like playing. If you are having such like a job that I like what we do as a day trader, it cannot. It just doesn't work like that.
Playing Call of Duty takes up too much mental energy.
Oh, of course. Right up there. Right up there. Alright, so I'm having some queens playing in the background. Queens. Yeah. Freddy.
Alright, it opens.
Yeah, opens here.
You go
Yeah.
on mute here. So
Alright, so I won't be also no I won't, but I'm not also going to bother you here. Just call out something. I'm going to narrate my video though, so I'm going to mute you too.
Alright.
Yeah. So you have a good one. Alright?
Yeah, you too, buddy.
Yeah,
I'm
thanks,
on mute.
Yeah. So let's see what we have here. The market is about to open. There you go. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. It's open.
Got filled on Diddy.
Alright, the first call of the week. Let's see what we've got. Alright, Apple to the long side. That's what I was waiting for. Yeah, there you go. I would much prefer that it closes above 147, but even if it doesn't, that's not an issue. Alright. Okay, so here's what we have on Diddy. Okay, Diddy should go out. If it closes here, I'm gonna get out. Apple. Okay, now I don't know what to do with Apple. Microsoft to the downside. Alright. But yeah, maybe Apple to the okay. I don't see anything to get in yet. So okay.
built on Diddy.
Alright. So, alright, let's go.
Got built on Diddy.
Diddy for the long side. Yeah, so then we have Snap coiling inside, Microsoft to the downside. Yeah, I'm a short Microsoft.
Got built on MSFT.
I will short Apple.
Got built on AAPL.
Let's see. Let's see.
Got built on Diddy.
Huh. Alright, so Snap. Yeah, Snap, I'm shorting Snap. Let's let it settle. There you go.
Got built on Snap.
Yeah, alright.
Got built on Snap. Got built on MSFT.
Alrighty. So Apple. Let's see what we have here. Maybe just a correction at the bottom of the pre-market. So we have Apple and Microsoft running already. Snap correction to the upper side because we have the pre-market and there's an open here. So if it's a bounce or rejection, I'll get out. I'm not staying it on a reversal back up. Although I'm in with a 2-hour risk. But we'll see about what can happen. Microsoft, I'm short bias at least to 84.94 to 85 actually, which is 50 cents. And yeah, so we'll give the room to see what happens with this. And Apple is still holding. This is not good. Yeah, no good. It's not good.
Got built on AAPL. Got built on Snap.
Okay, out. So Microsoft is holding, but
got built on MSFT.
there you go.
Got built on MSFT.
Okay, we're holding. Apple. Oh, that was not nice, Apple.
Got built on AAPL. Got built on AAPL.
Okay.
Got built on AAPL. Got built on AAPL.
So let's give it a go too. Yeah, so alright, 14. I will rather prefer to lock in profit rather than letting it slide. 5 seconds, it's a drop. Okay. Okay, so let's see, 380. Alright, let's see. So at 84 on break even, price point. Up 84. Let's see what's going on with Apple. Let me lock in Apple. Alright, so Apple, the target is here, magnitude is here.
Got built on MSFT.
Okay, let me close my position on Microsoft.
Got built on MSFT.
Okay, so we have XP finally running. VIP's also running. I will buy in anticipation of long. So yeah, if Apple goes back up here, Microsoft, that was not nice. Really, that was really not nice.
Got filled on AAPL.
Okay, anyway. So XPEF coming back down, a correction. Let me see Square, as Brent said. Oh my god, I missed it today. Anyway, that's too late to go in. It's chasing if I go in now.
Got filled on AAPL.
Alright, so I get in with Apple. The anticipation of short. So if it doesn't break the LOD, I'll get out. And XPEF to the downside, the price got rejected, so I need a stair step of volume here to go short. This could be the price. I don't know. Vips, let me see Vips, the volume on Vips. No, Vips is still for me is a long side. The pre-market is holding though.
Got filled on VIPs.
So Apple breaks the LOD, I will add. If it breaks. On 5 minutes we have just a breakdown. It's a break.
Got filled on AAPL.
It's a break. Okay, 663. Apple 663. 663 will be my price point of getting out. Okay. Alright, here we have Vips in anticipation of breakup HOT. And Apple in anticipation of break of LOD. So what we have here is just I think it's the prints, they don't say anything, but I think it's a break. I anticipated the break, so it could. Well, there's a good as a break. So we have this. Okay, Apple. All right, there you go. That's the break. I cannot let this go. Red. So. Vips for the breakup, break out of the HOD. Okay. The break is not happening smoothly. This is not something that I like. It's not smooth. And
Got filled on AAPL.
all right. I'm not finding this breakout amusing.
Got filled on AAPL.
I don't find it amusing, but let's see. If it starts to rip, okay. If I'm not going to stay in this trade if it breaks. If it doesn't break the... Alright, Diddy. Alright, okay, Apple gonna get out soon.
Got filled on AAPL. Got
Diddy,
filled on Diddy.
Diddy on...
Got filled on Diddy.
finally the
got filled on
anticipation is
Diddy.
happening. Oof.
Got filled on Diddy.
Alright, I'm gonna need
Got
a break
filled on Diddy.
on Diddy.
Got filled on Diddy. Got filled on Diddy. Got filled
There
on
you go.
Diddy. Got filled on Diddy.
Alright, Diddy on the go. Alright. We're holding. We're at HUD. If it doesn't break, I'm gonna get out, but the VIPs already locking into profit underneath, yeah. And so I'm expecting Diddy to rip to at least to yesterday's close. There you go. And yeah. So yeah, there you go. Should be smooth breakout. We got a first stair step of volume.
filled on
Oh,
Diddy.
man. All right. Apple has not been. See, I don't know what's going on here. All right, it should be smooth. It's not. So we just let it be. AMC is holding to the upside, but Diddy, I want to revisit Diddy, especially that on 5 minute we have a 2-1-2 to the upside. It was better. Yeah. Anyway, I got out here, so we move it to the upside. So Microsoft, let's see the Apple, Microsoft, XPath, Weeps, Twitter. Twitter, yeah, then for the downside, Twitter was on the short list, so it's officially breaking the yesterday's low. And Microsoft that I just shorted a couple of times and I didn't reshort it. It's now breaking. Vips to the... What's happening with Vips here? Okay, so here we have a little bit of range. Hope it passes by. Okay, XBEF to the upside. In anticipation of long. We have the first stair step volume.
Got filled on XPEV. Got filled on XPEV.
Alright. Here we go. So after it breaks the pre-market, after the breakup, I will add heavily on this stock. We have 300,000, 500,000 share will be fine. After it is already in profit. Okay, so we're waiting for the breakout. Here, I need to close above 43. Oh, yeah. Good.
Got filled on XPEV.
So 695 is my it didn't close above, but yeah, the volume looks good. We are in 95, and
Got filled on XPEV.
so this is just the what's the stop? That's okay. Calculate 1,000 more. It's okay. XBEV at 1,000 shares, and that's right. Here we have a good move on VIPs, and I will go back. I will add to XBEV. If it falls below, I will obviously get out. But if it breaks, I will add another 1,000. Maybe that's not the moment to go in, but if it breaks, I will just add here. So that's the reason, it's because of the volumes kicking into the upside. It's pushing to the high of pre-market, and on 5 minutes we have a 2-2 rev, so bullish rev. Alright, is a break, but I don't want to let it fake me out again. That loss on XBEV was really unnecessary. So it's a decision making candle. It held, it didn't break, but it closed green. So I assume it's gonna be break, but let's see. Yeah. All right. Well, the prints are saying that it's a break.
Got filled on XPEV.
Right. I'm in. 2,000 shares. Go 2,000 with XBEV 2,000, and well, even if it falls, I will get out quick. That's the key. What's a break? There you go. My average is okay. Okay, why am I get out? Here we stand right below.
Got filled on XPEV.
Alright,
Got
we go
filled on
all in
VIPs.
on
Got filled on
the only one
VIPs.
that's working based
Got filled
on
on
what we think
VIPs.
is VIPs,
Got filled on VIPs.
and
Got filled on
the
VIPs.
loss on the loss on XBEV was very unnecessary. $6,400, $6,405. Replace. I'm pretty sure XBEV gonna go back up, but well, I'm out of it. The adding was a little bit problematic, but that's how it works. Yeah, so all right, so. pushes back up, that would be the PMG that we are talking about. It breaks down back now. This is a no-go. Staying in this thing profit. It was the first step of volume of the day. No, actually it's the third one. The first one at this breakout, because the first one is here, which I could get in, but I waited until this forms. The second is this one, which I wasn't in. This is the third one, and that's the one that's happening right now. What's up with XPEV? Mm-hmm. $1,000. This is a good long now. It's a go-go. So now's the time we can lock in profit. Okay, 19. Let me see. 19 is the price that I go flat. Okay, go up. There's a break up. There you go. Push. The prints are coming to the upper side. People are closing their positions. They're shorting actually. No, they're shorting that bit. Then put on 19. Okay, it doesn't matter what happens now. I will be flat. Okay, 18. Alright. If it doesn't go up, I want to be out. Alright, so Apple is
Got
back.
built on VIPs.
Well, Apple to the upside, to the let me see, Snap. Yeah, I said it's gonna go long. Okay, Apple is a good point now.
Got built on AAPL. Got built on AAPL.
670. Okay, I will go on 678. 678. Replace. There you go. So Apple. Alright, nice to go. 146 to break. Yeah. So the price point of Apple here is a stair step of volume, plus the formation that I like. The first idea would be to have a turnaround and go back up to the highs of the day.
Last
Snap.
equals 75.
So basically, Snap got reached the target. Can I buy something? Yeah, let's go something. Let's Snap,
Got filled on Snap.
and then we sit very right below, and let's set the target. The magnitude would be 77.49. Snap, 77.49. Okay, Apple is to go. It's just about to take off. Yeah. I'm not really liking that it's holding the 46, sorry. I might even close it. I most probably manually close it before it starts to make a bigger loss. Okay, so whips, I close whips at a good position, at a good price point.
Got filled on AAPL.
There you go. If it goes green, and if it closes above 146, the moment that breaks the 146, I'm going to go long.
Got filled on XPEV.
Yeah. XPEV 68 on 80. On 80, I will trail it on 80. Alright, I'm trailing it. Alright, the reason that I got in because of the slip of the volume. And then volume kicked in, so once it kicked back in here, but there was no move, but now there is. So, well, obviously when it happens, I will push it. So, okay, let's see what we have on Snap. Okay, Snap is breaking. This is, for me, I take it as a break, but okay, I don't like that it put him back up. If it's a break, it should have a higher volume on the upper side. This one, then I anticipate it's gonna be a big move like this one. That which basically translates into the reason that why I am into this trade. So I'm officially locked in.
Got filled on XPEV.
Yeah. Like XPEV. I mean, it's gonna run now, but I will get back in if it breaks up here. How about that? Waves are also the same. Apple now, okay. It's still holding. There was a breach. O2, we need to be close above this. I'm not going to rush to get into this thing because it's faking out. It could be just a fake out for short. Yeah.
Got filled on Snap. XPEV.
XPEV.
Last equals 43.06. Got filled on XPEV.
Okay, there you go. So we are adding 10. I will trade it at 20, over 20. 20. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna give room to this one today. Now, because this is the break of HOD, it just needs some room to grow. And the point of this would be the TP that I'm going to choose for this one. The magnitude would be, let's see, here. And don't read back.
Got built on XPEV.
Alright. Yeah, obviously up, it just doesn't work now. I don't want to getting it out. I'm paying lots of commission here. So, Diddy is, nope. Vips, AMC, Microsoft, XBEV. Yeah, Microsoft, XBEV could go from here. Let's see what happens here. The volume should. I don't like this red one, the pin. Alright, so whips here we have a back up, going back up to the higher side, to the upside. If we have a break above this candle on 16, then I will launch. We'll move that to the upper side. Let's see. It doesn't feel like it's a go-go. But if it is, be my guest. It's not about just the volume higher, which is not now anymore. It's also about the how it's forming and how candles are shaping here. So XBEV is about to go, I think. Yeah, XBEV is about to go.
Got built on XPEV.
Right. So higher volume is not ideal to have volume in this form, but the push for the break out of the higher day is interesting. So I'm gonna trade it anything above.
Got built on XPEV.
I will trade it anything above. Well, we're at 27. Okay, it can come back down to touch the. Get out if it comes like this mission now. Well, the breakout should have happened smoothly. So with such a formation in anticipation of this, you can see 1 2 1 2 2. I was expecting 1 2 2 2. So if the 2 2 happens, we'll reach the high of day again for the second time, which is what I'm anticipating here. Which markets to be proving me wrong. I don't like this presence of these wicks at top here, because they are showing the resistance at the top, which obviously shorts are, you can see they're hitting ask directly, but oh, it's it. So I was waiting for a 2-1-2-2. So sorry, 1-1-2-2 the volume form, 1-1-2-2 to have a breakout. You can see also here 1-1-2-2 for the breakout. So we have now we got 1-2-1 1-1-2-2. Sorry. So let's see. And for the candles format, for the candles shape, so so we got a 2-1-2 bullish reversal, and then here that's the one that's actually playing here. So 1-1-2-2 is here, but the volume is not good enough to go. So hopefully it doesn't come back down, because if it goes back down, it's a heavy resistance and it won't work out. This trade should be closed, but we'll see. It could be a Momo. Yeah, it is a Momo. Okay, 32.43. I'll trade this thing. Yeah. Okay, but HOD they're gonna be pushed back down. But I'm standing good and high and what's it called? High and hot. So 10 cents to the at the top. I'm giving 10 cents at the top. It could be put back down, but I'm anticipating that this will go because yeah, first of all we had a 1-1-2-2, and then 1-1-2-2 it had this push, so it's a breakout actually. The breakout is happening before. I will give some room from here. Well not. So this one now. So we have the highest bullish candle of the day. Oh no, we don't. It's not the highest. It's okay then. Because if you have the highest before the top, like here, this was the biggest bullish candle of the day. But you have a stair step of volume already. So here is different. The volume is not that high. You're not highs. There you go, I'm out.
Got filled on XPEV.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. I'm done here trading for today, and these are the results. Let me just stop and recap the day, and that's it.